Good morning. Today we start the chapter 4, exercise 4.4, question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango rose whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है, ये पॉसिबल है, रेक्टेंगुलर मैंगो रोज हमें करना है, लेंथ कितनी है, ब्रेथ से ट्वाइस है, डबल है, लेंथ इज ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ और एरिया कितना है 800 मीटर स्क्वायर। ऐसा पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि जिसकी लेंथ ब्रेथ से डबल हो और एरिया 800 मीटर स्क्वायर, तो हमें फाइंड करना। इफ इज पॉसिबल देन फाइंड इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ। अगर पॉसिबल है तो लेंथ और ब्रेथ हमें फाइंड करना है। ओके, तो breadth of the rectangle is equal to x and the length of the rectangle is twice its breadth, that is equal to 2x meter. Breadth is x meter, length is 2x meter. We know that the formula of area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied breadth. Here area of the rectangular mango rose, that is equal to length multiplied breadth. Area of rectangle already given in question, that is equal to 800 meters square. Therefore 800 is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to 2x and breadth is equal to x. 2x multiplied with x, that is equal to 2x square, is equal to 800. 800 transposing right side to left side, that is 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. Here 2 is common, 2 common, therefore remaining term is x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Whole equation divided by 2, that is x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Therefore x square 400 is at 20 square is equal to 0. 2 से हमने क्या किया, 0 डिवाइड बाय 2, 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया। Therefore x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Therefore 400 is at 20 square. Therefore x square minus 20 square is equal to 0. That is a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square. A square x minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b is equal to 0. X minus 20 and x plus 20 is equal to 0. X minus 20 is equal to 0 or x plus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore possible value of x is 20, otherwise x is equal to negative value. But length and breadth is not a negative number, it is positive number. Therefore minus 20 is not possible. Therefore breadth of the rectangle x, that is 20 meter, and length is 2x, 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 meter. Therefore it is possible. Therefore x is equal to 20 and breadth is equal to 20 and length is equal to 40 meter. Okay. Next question number 4. Is the following situation possible? A situation possible है. If so, determine their present age. तो हमें present age find करनी है. The sum of the age of the two friends, दो friends की बात है. Sum of the age of the two friends is 20 years. Is 20 years. 4 years ago, 4 साल पहले की बात है. The product of their age in year was 40 years. 4 साल पहले उसकी एज का प्रोडक्ट कितना है? Was 48 years. दो फ्रेंड्स की बात है, दोनों की एज का सम है 20 years और दोनों की 4 साल पहले की एज का प्रोडक्ट है 40 years. तो फ्रेंड से फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड दो फ्रेंड्स हैं. ओके, दो नंबर है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फ्रेंड्स. प्रेजेंट एज, फर्स्ट फ्रेंड्स की प्रेजेंट एज x है, तो सेकंड फ्रेंड की एज कितनी होगी? दैट मींस 20 minus x, बिकॉज़ सम ऑफ द एज ऑफ टू फ्रेंड्स इज 20. दोनों की एज का सम 20 है. दैट मींस फर्स्ट इज x और इज 20 minus x, not x minus 20, because 20 is bigger number than x. Therefore first friend age is x, second friend age is 20 minus x. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, his age is x minus 4 years. तो 4 साल पहले कितनी होगी? फर्स्ट की एज x minus 4 years. Then second age is 20 minus x minus 4. उसमें से 4 शब्द करना पड़ेगा. 20 minus 4, that is 16 minus x. तो 4 years ago, both age is x minus 4 and 16 minus x. Product of their age means x minus 4 and 16 minus x. दोनों का product 40. Therefore x minus 4 into 16 minus x, that is equal to 48. X multiplied with 16, that is 16x. X multiplied with minus x, that is minus 4 multiplied with 16 minus 14 and minus 4 multiplied with minus x, that is positive 4x is equal to 48. Simplify this bracket. 16x plus 4x, that is 20x, minus x square minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. Therefore that is a minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48, that is equal to negative 112 is equal to 0. Change the sign of all the terms, that is x, positive x square negative 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation form. Comparing with ax1 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 20, c is equal to 120. Find all this, substitute all this value in discriminant b square minus 4ac, b square negative 20 square minus 4, a1 and c 112, 400 minus 480, 112 into 4, 448, 400 minus 448, that is negative 48. If b is less than 0, then roots are do not exist. Root never exists. Here the given equation is not possible because has no real root, because d is less than 0. ऐसा कोई भी इक्वेशन पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता जिसकी दोनों की प्रेजेंट एज का सम कितना है 20 इयर्स और 4 इयर्स एगो दोनों की एज का मतलब 40 है. ऐसा कोई इक्वेशन पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता. Therefore root do not exist. Understand? Next one. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of the perimeter is 80 meter? Perimeter is 80 meter and area is equal to 400 meters. If so, find its length and width. ऐसा कोई रेक्टेंगुलर की डिजाइन पॉसिबल है जिसमें पेरीमीटर कितना होना चाहिए 80 मीटर और एरिया होना चाहिए 400 मीटर. कोई भी डिजाइन बनाओ रेक्टेंगल जिसमें पेरीमीटर 48 होना चाहिए और एरिया 400 मीटर्स का होना चाहिए. अगर पॉसिबल है तो फाइंड लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. सॉल्यूशन. लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर पार्ट इज x. लेंथ हमने क्या गेस कर ली x. ब्रेथ कितनी होगी, एरिया कितना है 400, तो 400 डिवाइड बाय लेंथ दैट इज इक्वल टू ब्रेथ. 400 को लेंथ से डिवाइड करेंगे दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रेथ बिकॉज़ एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 400. लेंथ 400 तो 400 कहाँ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर. Therefore breadth of the rectangle is 400 divided by x. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या होना चाहिए लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ दैट इज इक्वल टू 400 because numerator of x denominator x both are cancel that is equal to 400. Remember this one. लेंथ x है तो ब्रेथ कितनी होगी, अगर एरिया 400 है तो ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 400 by x. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ x 400 by x. Perimeter of rectangle already given in question, that is 80 meter. Perimeter of rectangular park formula is 2 times length multiplied with 2 into l plus b. Perimeter of rectangle 80 is equal to 2 times length is x, width is 400 by x. Here 80 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 400 by x. 80 divided by 2 that is equal to 40. X multiplied with x, that is x square plus 400 divided by x. यहाँ पे हमने एलसीएम ले लिया x square plus 400 divided by x is equal to 40. Therefore x square plus 400 is equal to 40x. 40x transposing right side to left side, that is x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. t is equal to 1, t is equal to negative 40, c is equal to 400. All values a, b, c discriminant. t is equal to b square minus 40c. That is negative 40 square minus 4 into a is equal to 1, c is equal to 400. That is 1600 minus 1600, d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, remember the theory was roots are real and equal. d less than 0, roots are not exist. d equal to 0, roots are real and equal. d greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Here d is equal to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Both roots are equal. X is equal to negative d by 2a. Negative b, d means negative 40. Negative into negative 40 divided by 2 into a that means 1. That is positive 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. Both roots are 20, 20. Therefore length is x is equal to 20 meter. Breadth is 400 by x, is 400 by 20. both are 20 meters. 20 into 20, 40, and 2 times 20 plus 20. Substitute value then bring in this form. 2 into 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20, 40. 40 is 80. Perimeter is 80. Area is also 400. That is verified. Their questions, both questions are important. Please concentrate it. Thank you.